Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute earring, paper earring with a little flower, gem, and it's quite easy to make. We will need to use a paper punch, a circle punch, like this one. The other circle punch for this part of the earring, this one. A flower punch, and if you have a leaf punch, and the other pieces for our earring. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute paper earring. We will need to punch two circles in pale blue, because we will need to glue together these two pieces, so our earring will be quite strong. Okay, we will use some glue, tacky glue, the white one, in order to glue together these two paper circles. Voila. Okay, leave it to dry. And then because we will create the other one, we will glue this in this part, this leaves. Okay, if you don't have this punch or the possibility of glue leaves, leave it without and glue only the flower. Okay, now with some white glue, we will glue the leaves to our earring in this way. Okay, leave it to dry. Now we will need to put a gem in the center of our flower. I will use this kind of gem that I bought in a €1 store. Voila, with white glue, tacky glue, the stronger one that you can have. Voila, here. Okay, and round a little your flower in this way, the petals. Okay, if you want, you can put some nail polish like I did in this flower. In this way your flower will be stronger, but if you don't like this idea, leave it without any nail polish. Now we can glue here our flower. Okay, voila, and here our flower. Okay, now leave it to dry, and then we will need to create this part. Now we will need this, and we will glue it to this part again with your tacky glue. Try to glue this in the center of your paper. Now we will need to punch a little hole in the center of this circle, and then voila, and we will glue together the two paper pieces. Voila, it's quite easy. I love to create paper earrings because they are quite funny, so light to wear, and they are so easy to make. If you have some paper punches, you can create the earring that you prefer. Okay, now we will need to punch a hole here in order to attach together these two pieces. Okay, now before we will punch here the first hole here. Voila. And now here, from the back to the front of this part, okay, and then from the front to the back. Okay, now we will need to put a jump ring, so we will attach together the two parts of our earring. Voila, and the earring is ready. Here your super cute and quite beautiful earring. You can round a little the petals, and if you want you can add some nail polish before or after, as you prefer. And here our super cute earrings. If you want to add the nail polish, you can do in this way. Some nail polish on your petals. Voila. And this way the flower will be a little stronger. Voila. Just a second. Okay. Voila. Here our super cute and super light paper earring. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.